indices yesterday kept moving higher. Now all the three US major indices S&P, Nasdaq and Dow trading at record levels here. Yes, we have seen a very good rise yesterday again. The Germany 40 is close to the highs while FTSE 100 has shown a little swing here. And yes, the DAX has shown a very good recovery, very good rise yesterday again. What to expect from these five major indices today? Are we looking forward for this bull run to continue? And if yes, how high it's gonna go? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany 40 and FTSE 100. We're gonna see in this one single comprehensive update. And in the same sequence, first the US indices followed with Germany and lastly Dow, DAX here. Lastly FTSE 100 here. Do watch till the end. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. See, S&P has now breached the record highs here. It is now trading close to 67.35.36 mark. So now if you see it is staying beyond 67.36, indeed you can stay bullish from here. But what we are seeing here is, see, the drop was quite sharp. The rise is a bit gradual. And look at the angle here. This is vertical. This is gradual. I will wait for a breakout move here, and now 67.36, 67.42 is the zone you should wait for. If at all it decides to trade beyond 67.42, stay bullish for 67.50 and higher levels. Possibility is there. Yes, it is still staying bullish, looking upwards. Moving averages are divergent and bullish. Stochastic though is extremely overbought, but look at MACD. Since a retracement, it is crossed over and it is now looking upwards. RSI rising as well. On the 2 hour charts, and observation is more or less same. Higher lows here, higher highs here. 67, 36, 42 zone is what you should watch out for. Now see one single candle and see series of candles here, making me a bit cautious because this might deliver the next move all the way towards 6710, 6700 mark. However, let's wait, not jump on to the conclusion that it is going to drop, but right now it is staying bullish. This is pretty clear. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top here, and see MACD from these levels try to reverse. Let's wait if it delivers this reversal. RSI rising on the 3 hour chart. Similar observation, higher lows and higher highs here. It has breached past the resistances, and see the preceding candle closing at the top and now current one continuing with the upmost, suggesting bullishness here. Moving averages divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here, and the MACD is also at the top here. And that is why I say 67, 36, 42 zone is what you should watch out. In general, from these levels, S&P posts a reversal. Let's wait for it to cross over for a sell again. RSI rising. On the 4 hour, the observation is same. Good thing here is the second greener candle is succession, which might take it higher, and it might continue with this up move for a while before showing a reversal. Notice rise, retracement. It is showing the next round of rise. Possibly this might follow with a retracement soon, but from what levels? Possibly it can hit 67. 54, 67, 60 zone before showing any signs of reversal towards 6700. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising. On the daily preceding candle, a swing candle closing with a moderate greener body. Now this time it is trying to deliver a breakout. Possibly this might stretch the bands a while and stay outside bands, which suggests that 67.54, 67.60 can be achieved here. But first is for it to stay beyond 67.42, which will confirm the next up move here. And right now it is definitely looking upwards for sure. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD again crossed over for a buy, RSI getting overbought, and it is still room for further rise. So what I'll recommend is buy at 67.36 here. Expect 67.42.44 as the first target, 67.54 as the next, and then 67.60. If at all it decides to trade beyond 67.60, stay bullish for 67.75 and then 6800 mark very soon. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell now at 67.28. Expect 67.20 as the first target, and once it trades below 67.20, 67.10.12 is the strongest support, and 6700 is the next strongest. If these two levels are taken, it's a reversal. Then you can stay short for 66.80, 66.50 levels, and then a greater drop should follow, though right now it is not suggestive of such a good drop. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Likewise, what we had seen for S&P, vertical drop and a rise here. See the slope here and here, gradual, which means even if it stays higher highs, even if it attains the top here, the top here is now far above. Remember this fact, the top here is now towards 25,100. So even if it attains 25,100, it should follow with a greater dump towards 24,800 again. This is something you should keep a note. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over for a buy, RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour chart, the drop here, the rise here, it might follow with a pullback, but right now it is not showing such sign. It is definite that now it might try to move towards 25,000 mark for once. 25,000 a crucial number, and 25,100 the next crucial number. Possibly it might try to strike 25,100 before showing any signs of reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Now see MACD, if you see, it delivers waves here. First wave is done, second wave has to initiate. If it is not today, then soon it is going to deliver this wave, because see, it is trading at extremes, and from these levels MACD always shows a reversal. RSI rising, coming to 3 hours. Notice what's happening, rise, pullback, then higher low. So possibly it might move towards higher highs. Where are the highs here? Now on the 3 hour charts is 25,250 levels. So beyond 25,100, we will see Tech 100 soon hitting 25,250 as well. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD at the top, RSI at the top as well. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Now see, for the day till 24,900 is not taken, you should not be treating Tech 100 as bearish, and below 24,900 we have to wait for 24,800, 780. Only and only if 24,800, 780 is taken, you should sell, or you should consider it as a reversal. Yes, MACD, stochastic, RSI all are rising here. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts, since taking the support here from the 20 period moving average, prices have shown a good bullish move. Yesterday again it is traded bullish, it is closed with a little drop here, but today it is starting and resuming on the upside. Now see, higher lows are seen and higher highs. Higher highs means aiming towards 24 or 25,100 levels, and it's staying above 25,100. We can in fact expect 25 to 2240 zone as the next target. From those levels reversal can be seen, but also remember, it is getting highly overbought. You have to be cautious here. Hitting the highs, a reversal is a must here, though things are overbought. Now considering this, what you should do, also remember, swings cannot be denied today. I will recommend you to buy only now if you see uh, you Tech 100 trading above 25,000 levels, 25,000, 25,020, you should wait for. If and only if you see it is staying above this, you can say now the bulls are taking over. What will happen next? What are the targets? And before I give you the targets here, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are running a huge promotional scheme for with a great discount. Do not miss this opportunity. And those looking forward to just trade a profitable trusted partner which offers you a SAF-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now remember, once it trades beyond this zone, 25,100 is a must. And staying beyond 25,100, you are looking at a greater bullish move towards 25 to 20, 25 to 40 levels. I do not see a move beyond this, at least today. So now we are talking about 250 points from the current levels. On the downside now, see, the bearishness is wide open. If you are seeing it trading below 24,940, take a sell. 24,900 is a huge support. 24,860, 840 is the next support. And then 24,800, 780 is the ultimate one. If at all Tech 100 decides to trade below 24,800, 780, stay short. This is going to lead to a stronger correction towards 24,600 levels directly. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones on the hourly charts, see, look at the move, rise, retracement or sideways move here, then again a recovery, and this is trading now at highs. Now the current levels are going to remain crucial. See, very small candles, it has shown bullishness, and now the support levels are going to be at 46,600, 46,500 zone. This is going to be the prime support. A drop below 46,500 will only confirm a reversal here. Then you can say that the bears are back, else it is right now trading bullish. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are trading bullish here. On the 2-hour charts, and you see the 5-period moving average offer it a very good support, which means we have to now wait for it to trade below 46,600, 550, 500 zone, which will confirm the reversal, else it is right now trading bullish. Also divided it from here, rise retracement. So rise, possibly this could start retracing, but right now it is not showing such signs. Things are getting overbought slightly, but it is still got room for further rise. On the 3 hour charts, and similar observation. Now see 46,500 and now 46,400. Very crucial support levels here till 46,400. We have seen a greater consolidation and then this rise is up here. So let's watch out how it performs here. A drop below 46,600, 550, 500 should be a clear bearish indication, and then below 46,400 it should take a good hit. Stochastic is overbought while the MACD and RSI is still looking upwards and trading bullish. On the 4 hour charts, see rise retracement, second round of rise. So it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now the highs here are aiming towards 46,900, 47,000 levels. You have to watch out today. Yes, stochastic, MACD, RSI all are looking upwards. Coming to daily charts, when you see the daily chart, on the daily charts, look at this. It has taken a good support and see increasing body size. This is an exponential rise. Possibly today it might try to stay and give you a breakout here. It might form a double top here. That is a movement towards 46,720 can be seen here, and beyond this it is looking forward to 46,850, 900 zone as well. See, preceding candle close at the top and the current one is starting on a flat note suggests that it might keep trading higher, but any point of time if US 30 trades below 46,500 and then 46,400, that is the point of time you can confirm a reversal here. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over for a buy again, RSI rising. So it appears US 30 is having a little further room for a rise. What you can do here, you can buy at 46,660, expect 46,720, and then I will be looking forward to 46,840, 46,900, and then 47k levels here. Yes, it might try to do so. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 46. See, ideally you have to wait for 46,600 and 500 levels here, but yes, you can take a sell at 46,580, expect 46,500, 520 as the first target zone. 46,400 is the next. Only and only if it trades below 46,400, it's a reversal. Just stay short from there. 46,200 and 46,000 should be there very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany 40. Germany has shown a very good sharp move yesterday, and now it has already seen 24,550 levels here. What a good rise it is shown here. Moving towards now close to the highs here, it is trying to erase some of the gains, but notice the support it has got till 24,450. As long as 24,450 is not taken to not trade, DAX is bearish, and then 24,400, 380. Only and only if it trades below 24,400, 380, it's a reversal. Else it is yet not bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI overbought here. Look at 2 hour charts right now. The 5 period is offering it a very, very good support. And see, it has taken the support. It may try to in fact bounce back from here. But I will say now wait for 24, 540, 550, and then we can expect a good rise. Notice rise retracement, and now if it delivers a breakout, it is going to be another stronger move. Stochastic at the top, the MACD since the rise here now crossing over for sell, and this crossover is coming at a high, so possibly this might continue on the down. RSI is staying overbought. On the 3 hour charts, similar observation here. Yes, it has formed a very good support here. Look at the support it has created at 24,450. Very, very crucial for DAX to trade below 24,450 levels in order to confirm any kind of bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top, RSI overbought extremely. On the 4 hour, similar observation here. Notice it is at the top, notice the support here. And now this is the box it has to come out of, which means it has to now trade beyond the record levels. It has to now trade beyond the highs at 24,650 levels in order to confirm the breakout here. Right now I can see a box there. Now look at the daily charts. What's happening on the daily chart? See, from these levels we have seen dump, and now it has come down towards the same zone. It is possible for it to start reversing from here, and today's move is going to decide the direction it wants to take. It is staying outside Bollinger Bands. It is extremely overbought, and thus I will say you have to wait for 24,540 levels to be taken. Expect 24,580, 600, 630, 640 till 24,640, or in fact let's include 24,650 as well. Till 24,650, do not treat this as bullish. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Things are getting slightly overbought, and hence a little pullback cannot be denied. So considering this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 24 540, expect 580, 620, 640, and if this is taken, then there is no looking back. We are going to see 24 700, 24 800 levels as well. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry at 24 480, but 24 450 is the first crucial support, 450 440, and then 24 400 380. These are the two supports DEX has to trade below. If at all it decides to trade below 24 380, stay short for 24 300, 24 200, and then 24K should be there very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to FTSE. FTSE 100 going close to 9500 mark. Failing to break, we have seen a good hit, good dump here. And now you can see what it has done. It has taken a good support and it is trying to bounce back. Now I'll wait for it to trade above 94, 60, 64 levels. A move beyond 94, 60, 64 should take it towards 94, 80. And now 9480 should take it above 9500 as well. Let's wait for it to trade beyond these two levels. Right now it is seen taking support from 9440 on the down. If at all it trades below 9440 and 9420, it's a reverse. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD after taking the hit, it crossed over and trading with divergence. This is still a supportive sign for further. RSI is staying flat. On the 2-hour charts, when you see prices just come down, taken the support from 20 period, trying to bounce back. So it has still got the bullishness left in it. Not yet confirming the reversal yet. Yes, if you see the stochastic, this is rising. When you see the MACD, this is in fact it's crossed over at the top, and since then it is trading bearish, and it has lot much of room on the downside here as well. RSI rising on the 3-hour charts here also. It has taken the support from 20 period, trying to break out. But I'll say you have to wait for 94, 60, 64 to be taken in order to confirm a further rise. Stochastic rising. See the MACD here is crossed over at the top, suggestive of lot much of downside here. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Since the drop, see higher lows, higher highs, waiting for a breakout move here. And see, it is shown a reversal sign here, which means now it is going to be difficult for FTSE 100 to trade beyond 9480, 9490 mark. And see, on the downside, 9400 is the support it would like to achieve soon. Stochastic rising, MACD just crossed over at the top, suggestive of lot much of downside here. RSI staying overbought. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, look what it is shown. It is shown a good swing. It was outside bands and it is now trying to bounce back. I think 9480, 9500 is the mark. It is going to remain a difficult hurdle for FTSE 100 to break beyond. Though you can see it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. The highs now aiming towards 9550 levels here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI near to overbought as well. What you can do now, I will only now recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 9460, 64 zone. Expect 9480. Now 9480, 9490, and then 9500. Three key levels for FTSE 100 to break beyond. If at all it decides to trade beyond 9500, stay bullish for 9540 levels very, very soon, if not today. I do not expect it to break beyond 9540 today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 9440 itself. 9432, 9420, and then 9400. Below 9400, stay short for 9380, 9350 levels very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Was that as well.